Good morning, guys. We're going to try an activity today called Too Heavy or Too Light. It is where we are comparing different masses of metric weight. So as we have done in the past, we're going to convert from kilograms to grams to be able to help us with this activity. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and read the word problem. Problem 1. Marvin has 3 cousins in Michigan whose birthdays are all in February. He wants to send birthday presents to all 3 of them. Because the delivery company cannot send a box heavier than 10 kilograms, he has to find the mass of the 3 presents he bought. Their masses were 4 kilograms 700 grams, that's one package together, 2 kilograms 800 grams, and 3 kilograms 200 grams. Can he put all 3 packages in the same box? Why or why not? So I made a T-chart. Well, it's kind of like a bigger chart than that, but I made a chart for me to organize my information. Package 1 is, as it said, 4 kilograms and 700 grams. Okay, so I know that 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. So I'm going to go ahead and convert, thinking about 1 times 1,000 equals 1,000. So 4 times 1,000 equals 4,000 plus the 700 I already had. Okay, so my total mass of that one is 4,700 grams. All right, package 2. It has 2 kilograms, which would convert 2 kilograms times the rule of times 1,000 would be 2,000 plus 800, which will be a total of 2,800 grams. And the third one, 3 kilograms, using the same rule, times 1,000. 3 times 1,000 would be 3,000 plus 200, which would be a total of 3,200 grams. Now, I'm going back to what the question asked, and as I talked to you about, it says, can he put all 3 presents in one box? I know that my total mass, or my total weight is 10 kilograms, or 10 times 1,000. Well, let me think. I know that 10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 10 is 100. 10 times 100 is 1,000, and 10 times 1,000 is 10,000. So I'm looking for 10 kilograms or 10,000 grams. So we need to add these up, okay? Well, I'm kind of going to estimate in my head. Even if I just add the thousands up, I know that 4,000 plus 2,000 equals 6,000, and 6,000 plus 300 equals 9,000, okay? So if I add 9,000 plus any more of the other ones, it's going to be over 10,000 grams. I'm going to actually add it up total. So as I said, I'm going to add them up actually. I rounded just to see if it looked like it was going to work, but it was, to me, I predict using my estimation that it's going to be over 10 kilograms, but let's go ahead and add them up. So I lined up my ones, my tens, my hundreds, and my thousands, and I know that 8 plus 7 is 15. That's 17. Regroup. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. And 9 plus 1 is 10. So you can see I'm already at 10,700 grams, which would be a total is more than 10 kilograms, okay, because 10,000 would be 10 kilograms, okay? So the question, going back to the question, would he be able to ship all 3 presents in one box? Why or why not? The answer would be he is not able to do it because the mass is more than 10 kilograms or more than 10,000 grams. So today in your activity, you're going to solve these 2 problems on your own. Problem 2. Kim is participating in a bass fishing tournament. In order to advance to the final round, or in order for her to be able to get to the next round, the total weight of the fish she catches must be more than 5 pounds. Kim caught 4 fish that weighed as follows: 1 pound 6 ounces, 13 ounces, 1 pound 7 ounces, and 1 pound 4 ounces. Will she be able to get to the final round of the competition? Why or why not? So before you start this problem, I want you to remember that 1 pound is equivalent to 16 ounces. Okay, so pounds, LB, stands for pounds. It's like the root word libras in Spanish. I think I said that right. And then OZ stands for ounces. Okay, so 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. I want you to think about using this chart to help you support that. Think about the same strategies you did or that I did in the last problem to help you. Okay, make sure you answer the question, will she be able to advance? Okay, on problem 3, Stevie's Bakery received 15 kilograms, 700 grams of sugar. So you're going to put the 15 kilograms plus the 700 grams together. The production manager noticed that they needed 23 kilograms, 100 grams of sugar to make the order of cookies she just received. How much more sugar does she need to complete the order? Okay, well, when I'm thinking this out, I know that she is going to have to convert, when it has a mixture of kilograms and grams, I'm going to go ahead and combine both of them to make grams. Okay, so I'm going to put those together, and then I'm going to think, when it tells me how much more, it tells me she doesn't have enough. So I'm going to figure out how much more I need to add on to that to be able to get to it. So I'm going to take what I already have and add on to it, or we talked about another strategy of taking the total amount of what you need and subtracting that from it. Okay, so do your best. If you have any questions, please email me or Class Dojo me to help you.